Hello friends, so today we shall revise the morning current affairs of May 16 and May 17 of Adda 247. So let's start. Starting with the MCQs. The first MCQ was National Dengue Day. So it is celebrated on 16th May, and other options are on 11th May National Technology Day celebrated on 8th May. World Red Cross Red Crescent Day is celebrated, whose theme is unstoppable, and also World Thalassemia Day is celebrated on 8th May, whose theme is addressing health inequalities across the world. Thalassemia community on 12th May International Day of Nurses is celebrated, whose theme is A Voice to Lead, a Vision for Future Healthcare, and on 15th May, International Day of Families is celebrated, whose theme is Families and New Technologies. Next MCQ is allocation of Urban Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0 in the Union Budget 2021. So its allocation in the Union Budget 2021 is 1,41,678 crores. Coming to the options, 35,000 crore has been allocated to the COVID-19 vaccine. 64,180 crores has been allocated to the PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana. 2,21,846 crores has been allocated to the health and family well-being, and 2,87,000 crores has been allocated to Jal Jeevan Mission Urban. Next MCQ is Ujjwala scheme. So it is a central government scheme and it was launched on 1st May 2016 from Balia, UP, and under this scheme 8 crore people has been benefited, and the government is planning to extend this scheme to more 1 crore people. So coming to the options, on May 2015, three schemes were launched by PM Modi from Kolkata. One was Atal Pension Yojana, next was Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and the third was Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. On August 28, 2014, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was launched. On 25th December 2019, Atal Jal or Atal Bhujal Yojana was launched, and in August 1998, Kisan Credit Card scheme was launched. Next is obituary. The name of the Times Group chairperson who has passed away recently is Indu Jain. She was also a philanthropist. And coming to the options, Maggie O'Farrell. He is a novelist and he has won the National Book Critics Circle Prize for Fiction for his novel Hamnet. And Prasad Kadam is the director of short film Happy Birthday, for which Anupam Kher has won the award in the New York International Film Festival. And Shakuntala Harak Singh has won World Food Prize 2021, and Dr. Tahira Kutubuddin is the first person of Indian origin to win 15th Sheikh Zayed Book Award of UAE, and this award was earlier rejected by German philosopher Jürgen Habermas. Next MCQ is World's 50 Greatest Leaders list, which has been released by Fortune's magazine, and this list is topped by New Zealand PM Jacinda Ardern. On second spot is mRNA pioneers and Dan Schulman, who is the CEO of PayPal, got the third position. Only Indian among the top 10 is Adar Punewala, who is at 10th position. Next is wildlife sanctuaries. So the wildlife sanctuaries in Andhra Pradesh are Kondia, Koringa, Krishna, Kolleru, Nelapattu, and Kamalkonda, and in Assam the wildlife sanctuaries are Pobitora, Bura, Chapori, Chakrasila, Lao, Khoba, Garam Pani, Poba, and the new one national parks are Dehing Patkai National Park and one more Raimona National Park. Coming to the festivals in MP, Namaste Orcha, Chili, Mandu, and Tansen Samaroh are celebrated. Kalagoda festival is celebrated in Mumbai. One more festival is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh, that is Khajuraho Dance Festival. In Andhra Pradesh, Flamingo Festival is celebrated, and in Gujarat, Ahmedabad International Kite Festival is celebrated. In Himachal Pradesh, Fagli and Losar festival is celebrated. Losar festival is also celebrated as Ladakh New Year. In Uttarakhand, Fuldehi festival is celebrated. In Nagaland, Hornbill festival is celebrated, and Pakke Paga Hornbill festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. Next is countries, capitals, and currencies. Iraq, Baghdad, Dinar, Ireland, Dublin, Euro, Israel, Israel, Jerusalem, and New Sakil, Italy, Rome, Euro, and Jamaica, Kingston dollar. Coming to the news, the first news is Hazaribagh railway station. So 6,000th Wi-Fi has been installed at Hazaribagh railway station in Jharkhand. This service is provided by RailTel, which is a public sector undertaking of the Ministry of Railways, and the first Wi-Fi was installed at Mumbai railway station in January 2016. Coming to Jharkhand, the Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren, and its governor is Draupadi Murmu. Betla National Park is in Jharkhand, and Palamu Tiger Reserve is also in Jharkhand. And one summer campaign has recently been started by Jharkhand, and one scheme of Jharkhand is Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana. Next is Global Road Safety Week, which is being celebrated from 17th May to 23rd May. It is being celebrated by UN, and this is 6th edition, or the theme is Streets for Life, Love 30. Next is Riskiest Cities Report. So this report has been prepared by Verisk Maplecroft, and this list is topped by Jakarta of Indonesia, and it is followed by New Delhi of India, and at third position is Chennai of India. And among the 100 most riskiest cities, 99 are in Asia, of which 37 are in China and 43 are in India. Next is COP26 People's Advocate. So his name is Sir David Attenborough. This year UN Climate Summit and COP26 will be organized by UK in Scotland, Glasgow. Next is Senior Advisor to Biden. So Neeta Tandon of Indian origin has been appointed as the Senior Advisor to Joe Biden. Next is Big 12 Outdoor Track and Field Championship, which was held in Manhattan, USA, and Tejaswini Shankar of India has won the men's high jump title. Next is Italian Open. So men's singles title of Italian Open has been won by Rafael Nadal of Spain, who has defeated Serbia's Novak Djokovic, and it is Rafael Nadal's 10th Italian Open title. And women's single has been won by Iga Swiatek of Poland, who has defeated Czech Republic's Karolina Pliskova. Next is Laureus World Sports Awards. So Laureus World Sportsman of the Year is Rafael Nadal. World Sportswoman of the Year is Naomi Osaka of Japan, and World Team of the Year is Bayern Munich. Next is Kobe Bryant. So he was the American basketball professional, and he has been posthumously inducted in the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame. Next is Green Oscar, and that is Whitley Award 2021, which is also known as Green Oscar. This award has been presented to Nuklu Phong of Nagaland's Longleng district. He is an environmentalist, and he has been given this award for his efforts to protect Amur falcons. Next is Preet Mohan Singh Malik. So she has written a book, Sikkim, an history of intrigue and alliance, and Sikkim has recently celebrated its statehood day on 16th May. Next is M.S. Narasimhan. So he was the mathematician and Padma Bhushan awardee. He has passed away recently. He is known as Narasimhan Sahdri Theorem, and he was also awarded with King Faisal International Prize. One more French honor, Chevalier d'Ordre de Mérite by the President of France, and he was also the recipient of Srinivasa Ramanujan Medal. Next is Abel Prize. So this year Abel Prize has been given to two mathematicians, one Laszlo Lovász of Hungary and other Avi Vigerson of Israel. Next is Jurong rover. So Jurong is a rover of Chinese mission to Mars Tianmen-1, and this rover has successfully landed on Mars, and USA's Mars mission's name is Perseverance and Hope is the name of the Mars mission of UAE. Next is SpaceX will launch a satellite to moon next year, and this mission will be entirely funded with the cryptocurrency Dogecoin, and the name of the satellite is Dog1, and this mission will be led by Canadian company Geometric Energy Corporation. Next is 16th May. 3 days are celebrated on 16th May. First is National Dengue Day, second is Sikkim Statehood Day, and third is International Day of Living Together in Peace. Next is S. Balachandran Nair. He was the badminton coach and he has passed away recently. And two cups related to badminton are, one is Thomas Cup, which is the men's badminton tournament, and other is Uber Cup, which is the women's badminton tournament. Next is Padma Bhushan. So this year 10 persons has been awarded with Padma Bhushan, and the names are KNS Chitra, Tarun Gogoi, Chandrasekhar Kambara, Sumitra Mahajan, Nripendra Misra, Ramvilas Paswan, Kalbesh Sadiq, Keshubhai Patel, Rajnikant Devidas Rop, and the last Tarlochan Singh. And the last news is stadiums. So Wankhede Stadium is in Mumbai, Firoza Kotla or Arun Jaitley Stadium is in New Delhi, Chepauk or M. Chidambaram Stadium is in Chennai, Eden Gardens Stadium is in Kolkata, and DY Patil Sports Stadium is in Mumbai. So this was all in this video. Thanks.